the sacred thorn, unlocking the 12 gifts of Espinheira Santa in the verdant heart of South America. Particularly within the lush expanse of Brazil's Atlantic forest, grows a plant revered for centuries by indigenous peoples and now celebrated by modern science. Espinheira Santa, its name, translating to holy thorn, hints at both its spiny-edged leaves and its sacred status in traditional medicine. It is a premier natural agent for combating a wide spectrum of gastric ailments, from mild discomfort to chronic conditions. Its power stems from a rich concentration of tannins and triterpenes, such as one of its most profound benefits is its powerful antioxidant activity, which is crucial for preventing cellular damage and promoting long-term health. Its benefits for the skin are rooted in two of its core properties: its antiseptic and cicatrizant capabilities. It is known to have a mild laxative effect, which is incredibly beneficial for individuals who struggle with constipation. The most common and effective way to consume Espinheira Santa is through an infusion, which is essentially a tea. It is not a simple plant with a single purpose, but a complex phytotherapeutic powerhouse whose 12 distinct, yet interconnected benefits offer a holistic blueprint for health and healing. There are countless other secrets hidden in leaves, roots, and flowers, waiting to be discovered and understood. If you were captivated by this journey and are eager to uncover more of the science-backed wisdom of the natural world, to learn how ancient remedies are revolutionizing modern health, then we invite you to become part of our community of explorers. This channel is dedicated to bringing you deep, well-researched content that empowers you to take control of your well-being through knowledge. Don't miss out on our next investigation. To continue this journey with us, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. By joining us, you ensure that you will always be the first to learn, to grow, and to unlock the incredible healing potential that surrounds us every single day. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. From shielding the stomach lining with unparalleled efficacy and quelling systemic inflammation to protecting our very cells from oxidative damage and promoting radiant skin, its gifts are as profound as they are diverse. It cleanses our blood, regulates our internal systems, and provides a gentle, natural alternative for common ailments. The journey of this plant from the hands of an indigenous healer to the sterile environment of a modern laboratory is a powerful narrative about the importance of preserving both biodiversity and ancestral knowledge. It reminds us that the answers to many of our modern health challenges may not lie in a new synthetic compound, but in the wisdom of the earth that has been waiting for us all along. It is an invitation to view our health through a lens that honors nature as our greatest collaborator. The standard preparation involves adding approximately 1 tablespoon of dried leaves to 1 liter of freshly boiled water. It is vital to add the leaves after the water has boiled and been removed from the heat. The container should then be covered and allowed to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. This infusion method, as opposed to preserves the delicate volatile oils and therapeutic compounds that can be degraded by excessive heat. The recommended dosage is typically 1 cup of this tea taken 20 to 30 minutes before major meals, 2 to 3 times a day. However, it is paramount to heed the contraindications. Espinheira Santa is strictly forbidden for pregnant women, as it has documented emmenagogue and abortifacient effects that can induce miscarriage. Likewise, it should be avoided by breastfeeding mothers, as its active compounds can pass into the milk. Due to its traditional use as a contraceptive, individuals trying to conceive should also abstain from its use. Consulting a healthcare professional is always advised. Unlike harsh habit-forming chemical laxatives, it works gently with the body's natural rhythms to promote regular bowel movements, improving intestinal transit without causing cramping or discomfort. This contributes to better detoxification and overall gut health. Traditionally, the plant has also been used to address respiratory ailments. While less studied, its systemic anti-inflammatory action is believed to help soothe inflammation in the bronchial passages, potentially offering relief from the symptoms of asthma and bronchitis. Furthermore, its historical and controversial use as a female contraceptive by indigenous groups points to its influence on the endocrine system, an area that warrants further modern research. Tying its benefits together is its celebrated role as a blood purifier. This is not a vague mystical claim, but the logical outcome of its diuretic and antioxidant actions, which work in concert to cleanse the body of toxins and reduce oxidative load, ensuring the entire system functions with greater efficiency and vitality. When applied topically, often as a compressed or wash made from its tea, it creates a clean and protected environment for tissue repair. The same tannins that form a protective layer in the stomach can bind to proteins on the skin's surface, forming a barrier that prevents bacterial invasion and reduces the risk of infection in cuts, scrapes, and burns. This antiseptic action, combined with its profound anti-inflammatory properties, makes it highly effective for treating skin conditions like acne and eczema. For acne, it helps to reduce the inflammation of pustules and control the bacteria that contribute to breakouts. For eczema, It soothes the red, itchy, and inflamed skin, providing immediate relief and promoting the healing of the skin barrier. As a cicatrizant, it actively stimulates the regeneration of epithelial tissue, accelerating the healing process and potentially minimizing the formation of scar tissue. This makes a cooled Espinheira Santa infusion an essential, all-natural addition to any first aid kit for holistic skin care. These compounds work in synergy to create a protective mucoadhesive layer over the stomach lining. This barrier shields the gastric mucosa from the corrosive action of excess hydrochloric acid, preventing and healing the lesions that characterize gastritis and peptic ulcers. Furthermore, research indicates that Espinheira Santa can moderate the production of stomach acid, addressing the root cause of acid reflux and gastroesophageal reflux disease. For those suffering from dyspepsia, feeling of bloating, pain, and indigestion, plant offers profound relief. Its flavonoids, including quercetin and camphor, exert a potent anti-inflammatory effect, calming the irritated tissues of the digestive tract. Some studies even suggest it may inhibit the proliferation of the bacterium a primary culprit in the formation of ulcers, making it a comprehensive, multifaceted protector of our entire upper gastrointestinal tract. Known scientifically as Maytenus ilicifolia, this remarkable shrub is far more than mere folklore. It represents a powerful convergence of ancestral wisdom and rigorous pharmacological investigation. For generations, healers from the Tupi-Guarani tribes have utilized its leaves to create potent remedies, a practice that has since permeated Brazilian culture and captured the attention of researchers worldwide. What was once a secret whispered through the forest is now emerging as a scientifically validated phytotherapeutic agent, a natural pharmacy encapsulated in a single plant. This journey from ancient remedy to clinical subject reveals a profound tapestry of benefits, demonstrating how nature often holds the most sophisticated solutions to our health concerns. In this deep dive, we will explore the 12 foundational benefits of Espinheira Santa, dissecting the mechanisms that make it an indispensable ally for our well-being and a testament to the enduring power of ethnobotany in a modern world. The most celebrated and scientifically substantiated benefit of Espinheira Santa lies in its extraordinary role as a guardian of the digestive system. Beyond its specialized action in the stomach, Espinheira Santa possesses potent systemic anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it a formidable natural weapon against pain and inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent antagonist, underpinning a vast array of diseases from arthritis to heart conditions. The plant's rich profile of polyphenols and triterpenes actively works to downregulate the body's inflammatory cascade. These compounds inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and prostaglandins, molecules that signal and perpetuate the inflammatory response. This mechanism is conceptually similar to how some pharmaceutical drugs work, but it is delivered within a natural, holistic matrix that the body can readily recognize. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from joint pain, rheumatoid arthritis, and muscular aches. The analgesic, or pain-relieving, effect is a direct consequence of this inflammation reduction. By calming the inflamed tissues, it alleviates the pressure on nerve endings, thus reducing the sensation of pain. It is not merely masking the symptom, but addressing the physiological process causing it, offering a deeper and more sustainable form of relief than many synthetic alternatives could ever provide. The protective power of Espinheira Santa extends to the very core of our biology. Our cells. The healing touch of Espinheira Santa is not confined to our internal systems. It is also a remarkable ally for dermatological health. Delving deeper into its systemic effects, Espinheira Santa reveals itself as a gentle regulator and supporter of various bodily functions, showcasing its versatility. With such a potent natural medicine, understanding its proper and responsible usage is as crucial as knowing its benefits. In conclusion, Espinheira Santa, the holy thorn of the Brazilian forest, stands as a monumental example of nature's genius. This profound exploration into the world of Espinheira Santa is just a glimpse into the vast pharmacy that nature provides.